good the mic is on this, but this is my first time mounting my camera on the windshield because I'm driving a classic 1940 Ford pickup. This is my first one so far. I wanted to do a review on it. You never know what's going to happen to the cars. They come and go quick, so I'm trying to film this as soon as possible. So just cruising over to a spot to film the truck, film the outside of it, you know, do a walk around, show you guys the setup that it has, show you guys the engine, give you a little walk around the truck. This is my first classic vehicle on my channel. It's a 1940, which is pretty old. You know, this truck is really old, so I figured it was really good to have on the channel. I was trying to get my friends on the episode today. But overall, driving it, it's pretty really slow, like 45 miles an hour. It's a flathead V8 Ford motor, 3-speed manual transmission, and very noisy inside. Bumpy suspension, but it's fun to drive. It's cool to drive around. A cool little parts truck. You know, I really like it. I've never seen too many of these trucks on the road, so when I got the opportunity to get it, I was like, hey, you know, that truck, you don't really see too many of them. So I had to get it, you know, especially for the YouTube channel as well, so I can feature it on my channel. Another car added to the list. But yeah, hopefully there's some fans out there who like Ford trucks. See if there's anybody out there that likes classic pickup trucks, then this is gonna be good. So right here, guys, let's do a walk around the truck. I'm about to park it and I'll show you guys what it looks like. This is my second classic truck. I did have a 1937 Chevy. I owned that one about 4 years ago, and I didn't really get a chance to drive that one because I was a lot younger back then, and that one I had bought it not running. My dad helped me get that one running. So this is my second classic truck right here. First one was a 37 Chevy. This one, 1940 Ford flathead V8 3-speed manual. And I really like classic cars. I want to bring more classic cars to my channel. It's just a matter of finding them because they're not as common as newer cars or 90s JDM cars. But I will be bringing more classic cars to my channel. Like I said, it's just a matter of finding them. But yeah, first classic car right here is a pickup truck, 1940 Ford. Overall impressions of driving a classic 1940s vehicle on the street: they're really bumpy, suspension, a lot of clattering, you know, like sounds from the windows when you hit bumps and stuff. It's really common in old cars, especially a work truck like this, a Ford. But yeah, 3-speed, man, it's hard to keep up with traffic. People are always going around you. It's a really slow truck, but it's fun to drive, you know. It's a different feeling than driving a regular car with smooth suspension and you can't hear anything outside. This truck doesn't have a radio in it. I'll show you a little look under the hood now. I'll pop the hood and show you the V8 flathead engine. Alright, let me give you a little walk around the truck. It's got fog lights, I really like. Mostly original truck, nothing modified or custom. Besides the paint, looking like a really stock truck. Got some stuff in the back of the bed because we're doing some work at the house, but it's a pretty nice truck. Classic looking, really good condition. The paint and body is not the best, but it's really really together. Like it's put together. It's a little daily driver, a work truck. Nothing perfect. Inside is really nice, however. Dome light really works, really nice. Soft leather bench seat. It's got a cool looking shift knob that I really like on it. The gloss black dash, you can't really see. I really wish I had time to film earlier, but I didn't really have much time today. Another look at the back of the tailgate. Iconic Ford logo with the V8. Like I said, this has a flathead V8 engine, 3-speed manual transmission, white walls, stock straight axle suspension. And then I was recording on my GoPro Hero 7 right here when I was talking to you guys earlier. So here we are. Had to turn on my flashlight from my iPhone to give you a better shot. So it's a 6-volt, I believe. So it starts really really quiet, really slow, low idle engine. You don't really hear too much noise. See, 8 cylinders, 4 on this side. old school radiator with dual hoses. It's really common on the old school 30s, early 40s cars. There you go, 4 more cylinders, a fan clutch, and that's about it. Horns, your basic 6-volt wiring, really old school setup. I like the way these cars look on the engine. It's very simple. It's crazy people used to drive these every day. But yeah, I think that's a single 1-barrel carburetor, so it doesn't have too much power. I believe you could upgrade that to a 2-barrel, get some more power out of this car or truck. My bad. But yeah, there it is. I really like the wheel kit on the side, and you can have your spare tire right there. That looks really cool. But yeah, first classic truck to my channel, 1940 Ford V8 pickup truck. If you guys like this truck, I'm gonna do a POV video of me cruising it. I'll do it right now, but it's a little dark. I will do one tomorrow as well, that way you can see what it's like to drive it in the daytime. And I'll do one at nighttime so you can see how that is. If you guys have any questions about this truck, the Ford pickup behind me, go ahead and comment. I'll do my best to answer it. I don't know too much about these trucks. This is my first Ford, and I've been around classic cars for a while, so I might be able to answer some of your questions. If you're asking a question specifically about this truck, sorry, I keep calling it a car because I'm used to having cars. But if you have a question about this truck specifically, I'll do my best to answer that. Just drop a comment down below. If you guys want to see more classic cars on my channel, drop a comment down below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, please, because the subscriptions really help me. I really want to get more subscribers on my channel, and that helps me the best. So yeah, guys, I can't repeat it enough. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you want to see more. If you want to see more classic cars like this pickup, drop a comment down below. I promise you I'll have more classic cars coming on the channel, as well as the other cars like I've featured before. JDM cars, muscle cars, anything. I'm going to bring it to my channel. So make sure you guys subscribe so you don't miss any of that. But thanks again, guys. I appreciate your view. Thanks for checking out this video, and I hope you liked the 1940 Ford pickup. Until next time, I'll bring you a different vehicle.